Let's move on to the topic on page 87 and 88, first activity 1, to understand physical change. Here the materials required are piece of cloth and a scissor. Now you are going to cut a piece of cloth. Now you got two pieces in your hand. Now tell me, is it same product or same material or new material? No, we get the same material. So this process is called physical change. Cutting a piece of cloth or cutting a piece of paper is called as physical change. What do we conclude? It is a physical change because no new substance is formed. Now we move on to second activity. It is also to show the physical change. Here you need two ice lollipops. Now you purchased two lollipops from the market. On the way to home, you purchase two lollipops. One you are eating, the other one you are keeping for your younger one. So what will happen after reaching the home? It melts, isn't it? So can we regain this shape again? Yes, if you keep in fridge, the size will be regained. You will get the previous size of lollipop. So are you feeling after melting, the substance, quality of the substance can be changed? No, it remains same substance. So it is a physical change. So what do you understand? Physical change can change its shape, but we can regain. It is a reversible process. The shape can be reversed. But taste not change. No new substance is formed. So finally we concluded that this is a kind of physical change. Now tell me, what is a physical change? Changes which involve only the physical properties like shape, size and change in state. These are called physical change, and no new substance is formed. For example, if you keep water in the refrigerator, it changes its shape, no? But formula is H2O. Water also H2O, ice also H2O. So no new substance is formed. So this type of state changes is called physical change, because state is changed, liquid to liquid, water to ice solid. But substance remains same. It is also water. After keeping the fridge also, it is water. Now what did you conclude from this all? We can say that physical change is not a permanent change. It is a temporary change. We can change as one state to another. So it is not a permanent process. The next we look on to activity 3 is to understand chemical change. Here the materials required are a plate, few new shiny iron nails. Here what you are going to do is keep the iron nails in a plate. It is exposed to air. So what will happen? What do you observe? You can notice that after a few days you can see brown, reddish color, brown coating on these iron nails. What is this brown color compound name? Rust. That is hydrated iron trioxide. This iron reacts with oxygen and water vapor which are present in the atmosphere and undergoes chemical reaction and form a new compound called rust. So what do you understand from this activity? Iron undergoes chemical change when it is exposed to air. Now let's move on to activity 4 is to understand chemical change. Here the materials required are sugar, a spoon and a burner. Here what you are going to do is take some sugar in a spoon and show it over the burner or show it over the flame. What do you observe? The sugar first melt, then change into brown, then turn into black. This black color substance is called charcoal. Is it new substance? Yes, new compound. That is chemical compound. So this process is a chemical change. And some examples of chemical changes are, or chemical process are, burning a piece of paper. After burning you will get new substance that is called ash. The same way milk change into curd. Curd is a new substance. This is not reversed back into milk. This is also a chemical process. But if you cut the lemon, it is not a chemical change because lemon after cutting also it tastes same. It does not change into new substance or new fruit. So it is a physical change. Now tell me, what is chemical change? The changes which involve the formation of new substance are called chemical change. It is a permanent change because after turning curd from milk, the curd cannot be changed back into milk. That means it is not reversed. So this process is called permanent process. You know the taste of milk. After it changes to curd, you taste it. Will it taste the same as milk? No, curd does not taste as a milk because it is a new substance. So the properties of this new substance are varied from original substance property. Now let's move on to the topic differences between physical and chemical change. In physical change, there will be no new substance form. Changes is temporary, can be reversed. The mass of the substance does not change after a physical change. Energy is neither released nor absorbed during this physical change. But in chemical change, as new substances are formed, these changes are permanent, cannot be reversed. After the chemical change, mass of the individual substances changes, and the energy is either released or absorbed during this change.